Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Odom Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. Today, I'm just gonna show y'all how the bananas is doing. Yeah, I got 5 different varieties. Well, maybe not no more. Let's see. And the first one up is that Musu acuminatus. And this is the one that I didn't know would survive in my zone or not. As you can see, it survived, but it's not the mother plant. That is that pup that was left from last year. The mother plant died back. So that's Musu acuminatus. We got one, and I say she's about 16 inches, maybe 16 inches. What about the dwarf Cavendish? Well, let's see. And there she is. That is the dwarf Cavendish. You can see the mother stalk died out to the ground. But you see that one right there? That's a pup coming up. And it's actually another pup coming up here. So it came back, but if it wasn't the way I was wanting it to, no. I want this mother stalk to come back. So that would have gave me a chance to get a banana this year. But no. Freakish weather. Now that's 2. The mother plants died. But we got pups, so they survived. What about the Musu acuminatus? Musu baju? They coming back. They're the coldest, hardest bananas we got. Them Japanese fibers. They're not an eating banana. They're just more like ornamental. Cause you can make fiber and stuff out of them. That's what Japanese use them for. But yeah, they came back. And I think even the mother stalk of those stayed alive. Let me see. And there they be. You can see some mother stalk. It came back. Mother stalk. It came back. Plus a pup beside it. Another pup beside this one. Mother stalk over here look like it died. No, my bad. Spoke too soon. Right there. There it is. But yeah, all the mother stalk on them survived. Look at this. It's that dancing plum that I just planted. Look, it's leafing out from down there. I'm hoping all of that it's not dead. Red Haven leafing out everywhere. So I'm hoping that blue Dobson plum is not just coming from there, because none of this rest of it has bloomed out yet or nothing. So yeah, we'll see. You can see right there. Let's get back to the bananas. So that's 3 so far. We have the Musu acuminatus, we have the dwarf Cavendish, then we have the Musu baju, the Japanese fiber bananas. These right here is the Carolina Kings. You can see all of them. They're 4.5. The biggest one I say is about 5 foot. 5 foot already. So they survive pretty good. Is it big as I wanted them to be? No, because I got up to like 8.5 foot last year. If I could have kept them at least 6 foot, better chance of me getting bananas this year. Will I get bananas off of them this year? Probably not. Hey, that's life. So now that's the 4th variety. Musu acuminatus, dwarf Cavendish, Musu baju, and Carolina Kings. And now the 5th and the last, which is the newest, the last one I planted. And let's get to it. And this is the last one, and that is that dwarf Orinoco. Did it survive? Of course. You see? As much as I wanted to, no. But I'll take it. Because this is the first year in the ground. The root ball ain't as massive. That's all the rest. That, the Musu Baju, and the dwarf Cavendish. I replanted another dwarf Cavendish last year, and that's the one I replanted last year. So I kind of figured that the mother plant would probably die down. The longer they've been in the ground in that spot, the bigger the root ball gets, the more they're cold tolerant, the more hardy they are, the more they can withstand these temperatures, even these crazy temperatures we had this year. So, yeah, and a new addition I just planted over here beside the other guavas is a yellow guava. And there she is right there. Look at her little butt. I'm hoping she'll be a big bush in the next couple of years. And I can get me some yellow guavas and some pineapple guavas. That'll be awesome. I have yellow guava, pineapple guava, white guava, pink guava. I'm guavaing out. Yes, sir. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Odom's Homestead. Growing's my passion.